Hey guys, I know it's been a long time, but I had a person contact me from Partsam, see that there, and asked me if I'd be interested in trying some of their products on my campers. I asked them if they had a light that did two different colors, because I'm redoing the inside of this one. I want to put some LEDs in it instead of the old style bulbs. So what they did is they sent out this light. I don't know if you can see it, which is actually like a turn signal and backup light, and I'm going to use it on the inside of the camper. I've done this before. So just to kind of show you how it works, I have a little power supply set up here. So has a yellow light, which will be good for like actually it has two separate dimnesses of the yellow light. This is like the low, this is like the high. Then it also has a white light, so I'll be able to use the white light when I want to, and if I need to turn on the light at night or whatever, I can use a low dim yellow or the high bright yellow. It should actually keep the bugs away too with that yellow light. I've had some health issues, so that's the reason why I haven't posted anything. But I definitely wanted to post this because I think this is pretty good quality. And beside that, if you're looking for like tail lights, marker lights, or anything for your build, this company has them. I've actually, without even knowing, they have an Amazon store and all that. Without even knowing, I have used them on all my campers. All my marker lights on my campers actually came from this company, and I didn't even know it. They reached out to me to do a product demo on this. And like I said, this is a white light and then two yellows. So this could be used as like a backup light or a turn signal. And the shape of it's pretty cool. So I think it might go along with some of y'all's designs, even mine. The round shape, and they have the teardrop shaped lights, running lights and stuff. Again, that is Partsam. You can find them on the web, and you can find them on Amazon as well. They're not paying me to do this. They just sent me the light and asked me to do a product review on it. Like I said, I like it. I'm going to use it inside. The white light will be for your normal everyday light. And then if you're at night or whatever, you don't want bugs or whatever, you can use a yellow side. So put it on a different switch, to where you can put a yellow side. Now I've done this on my first camper. I put turn signal lights in the galley to light up the inside of the cabinets, and I'll post a picture so you guys can see. Like I said, I'm not getting paid for this. There's no, or nothing like that. There's nothing. But I did promise a guy that I would review it for him. So here it is. This is my first product review, and I kind of like it. Looks, it's got a pretty good build to it. Kind of check it out. Looks all right. And it comes with the rubber on for the back, and it also comes with two mounting screws. But like I said, I'm going to use this inside instead of putting it on the back of the trailer. This one's already all set. I'm remodeling the entire inside of this, and I really want some LED lights in it. So yeah, they also, for those guys building like square drops and stuff like that, and you're pulling it with a Jeep, they have Jeep tail lights. They have the big bars at the top, the big light bars for the top of the Jeep or your truck or whatever to light up the trail where you're going. So you could actually like match your tail lights to your tow vehicle if you have a Jeep anyway, because they definitely have them. But they do have lots of cool stuff. They only have, they're very limited on actual inside lights, because they're primarily for like semis. But the person that contacted me said that they're working on more interior lights. So if you want to check them out, go ahead and check them out. Like I said, I'm not getting paid for any of this. I don't get anything from it. I just thought I would do the product review, and I'm actually pretty impressed with it. I like it. So again, that's partsam.com, or you can find them on Amazon. Just search Parts AM. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. Build on.